Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were that I went away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. And forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you. Since I feel broken, that's what I really. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you I miss. So hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh. Would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Looking down upon me, are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself. Oh, and just one more day. I would tell you how much that I missed you since you've been away. Yeah. Oh, it's dangerous. So hard to blind to try to turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do, and I've hurt myself. Bye.